Good morning to all. Convey my wishes in the light of history, Itihasar Alo YouTube channel. Now, I episode on partition in autobiography and memoirs. We know the pathetic story of partition India from the autobiographical books like Swarolipi of Savitri Rai, Epar Ganga, Opar Ganga of Jyotirmoyi Devi, Marginal Man of Prafullo Chakraborty, Pitamohi of Shanta Sen, Chhere Asha Gram of Dakshina Ranjan Bosu, etc. Ritu Menon's Borders and Boundaries, How Women Experienced the Partition of India, Chaudhuri Khalikuzzaman's Pathway to Pakistan, Manik Bandyopadhyay's স্বাধীনতার স্বাদ, Salina Hossain's Japito Jivan, Abu Ishaq, Surya Dighal Bari, Kaliprasad Mukherjee's Shikarer Sandhane, and the novels Nilkantho Pakhir Khoje of Atin Bandyopadhyay, Bipasha of Tarashankar Bandyopadhyay, Ordhek Jiban of Sunil Gangopadhyay, Agun Pakhi of Azizul Haq, and Forgotten Atrocities of B.K. Gupta. All these are the books on partition in autobiography and memoirs. Please subscribe this channel and forward this episode to your student. It is my request to all the viewers to subscribe the channel so that you may get the notification as well as after its uploading of the videos. Thank you all.